Well, we're an artist cooperative. We were recently formed at the end of last year in North Norfolk. There's about 100 of us involved, and we were keen to emerge out of all the lockdowns and create something exciting and vibrant for people to share, and also to keep our enterprises and our work out there for people to see and enjoy. We're open from 10 till 5, and we're opening in a safe way in accordance with all the guidelines and advice, but also you'll get a very warm welcome from all the artists on our trails. We organise it through trails throughout North Norfolk, and so there's a lot to see. There's a wide range of art out there: sculptures, ceramics, paintings, textiles. So yeah, we're very keen and very proud to be able to present this to the public and welcome them into our studios and workshops.